I thought that maybe we'd come to see better days.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Take National vlog. So recently my friend, roommate and fellow filmmaker Pulkit went to Ladakh and filmed this.
What a shame, what a shame. No. All of your fictional ways, master of play, master of play.
Now I know what you're all thinking. Ladakh is beautiful. But also, I'm sure a lot of you are wondering, how did Pulkit get that footage so smooth? Well, the reason for that is Pulkit went there with his new toy. The DJI Ronin-S. The DJI Ronin-S is a handheld multi-axis gimbal. What that means is it's got 3 motors making sure that how much ever you move, your footage is smooth. Now this is Pulkit's setup. Here's my setup. A Canon 80D with a Rode mic mounted on a Joby GorillaPod 5K. So today I'm going to film the same vlog with both my vlogging setup and Pulkit's filmmaking setup to see if all the effort it takes to handle the Ronin-S is cinematic and worth sacrificing the ease of use of my vlogging setup. Would I be able to make a vlog using that setup? So to test them out, Suraj, Pulkit and I drove down to Versova beach and we put these bad boys up against each other.
All that I treasured, lost in a maze, caught in confusion, caught in a daze. Memories of yesterday.
Cool, we've reached the beach. Yeah. Let's eat a beach. Okay, let's get on to it. Mamma mia, this thing is heavy. So if I were to vlog at any moment, I could just beep beep beep. Oh, if it was on. I mean, how do you put it on, bro? How do you put this on? This? Here, down.
So this is the power button. This.
Okay.
You can just press it twice.
Cool, let's head down to the beach.
Let's close the door also.
Oh, okay. Pulkit's gonna film Suraj walking with the Ronin. I'm gonna film him walking with this thing. We're gonna see if handle looks somewhat good compared to that. Alright, so now we're gonna do some handheld parkour. Okay. I'm guessing, I'm hoping that looks stable. That's when vlogging, I have to do different things. Alright, so now Pulkit and I are walking down the beach. He's handling the Ronin and I'm handling my vlogging setup. So now we're gonna run with the camera. Let's see how it looks. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I can already tell you that my footage probably looks very shaky, but Pulkit. Okay, so I'm gonna start running now with my handheld camera and see how it looks when I run while vlogging. I'm sure it's very shaky. Now I'm gonna switch to the Ronin. This is my favorite part of the camera. I want to vlog now. Thanks. And I'm gonna run. Now I'm running full pelt with the Ronin-S. I hope it's as stabilized. It looks pretty stable, but man, it's so heavy. It's so much heavier. Oh my god. Oh, guys, this is not a vlogging setup. It just doesn't work. These guys are laughing at me. Suraj is taking a dump on Versova beach.
Like sensitivity and everything.
Whoa, Suraj. Okay, we're gonna try to get some cinematic footsteps running footage. So Pulkit just has to hold it like a torchlight and run after Suraj. I have to hold my camera like this and run behind Suraj and hope to God I'm as stable as I can be. Alright, so let's do this.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Master of play, master of play, endlessly fixed on your gaze, fixed on your gaze.
It's like Pulkit is carrying his child on his shoulders. Alright, so I'm getting on. Oh shit! I dropped my chappal. Send it, bro.
Oh shit, you're wearing a princess chapel, huh?
Take minute.
Don't order us around just because you're on a horse.
Okay guys, so right now I'm on nature's very own stabilization test. Okay, so this is me on the horse at walking pace, holding onto the camera with one hand. You guys tell me how stable it is. I think I'm killing it. My minions here walking alongside the king. I mean, I think I'm still holding on to it very stably. Now I'm holding on to the DJI Ronin-S and I'm still on the horse. I hope it's considerably more stable. आप एक काम कर सकते हो, आप उसके ऊपर बहुत तेज जा सकते हो.
She was waiting for someone to say that.
Thanks for purchasing this piece of equipment for us to use, buddy.
This is our house, like house project.
Pulkit is our producer, if you guys didn't know. He buys all the equipment we need. They're playing Kabaddi on the beach. That's pretty awesome. Alright, so there are a bunch of guys playing Kabaddi on the beach, and we're just gonna walk up to them and film them, get some good B-roll.
One shot and I'm holding, but I don't care cause I'm golden. Woke up Sunday morning with a song stuck in my head. I'm seeing things right before me, used to own me, that's an old me. And give it up was the best thing they said. We almost had it all once again. Let's say they wanna make it. Someday we'll have this thing figured out. Till then, better go and tell 'em, better go and tell 'em.
Heavy, bro! That's heavy, dude. Okay, so we just filmed a lot of B-roll with these gentlemen playing Kabaddi. So at the end of the day, guys, it doesn't matter what equipment you have. If you actually get in on the action, you're just going to get the best B-roll no matter what. So I hope those B-roll clips help you guys understand what it's like to just run and gun film with a camera. Obviously, it's a lot easier if you have something like this, which is just like holding on to the camera and just shooting whatever you can. But with that, you can get a lot more cinematic, slow things.
Can't get out of my head. All these
Yeah.
things
Bye.
Bye.
So at the end of the shoot, I'm sure we got some nice footage, but also we are just cursing the heaviness of this equipment. Suraj, how is it?
It was damn fun.
It's always fun for Suraj. Everything in the world is fun for Suraj. Bloody Holocaust happens in India, he'll say it's fun. Alright guys, we're heading back home. The main takeaway I think from this whole interesting experiment is that we need to learn how to use this. The Ronin is amazing for when you have planned shoots and you know how every shot is going to look. There's a screenplay written down and you can get everything perfect and smooth. But this setup is just so much better if it's run and gun. You're just running around. You want to film whatever you see and it's simple. So that's the takeaway. This is also very heavy. You can't vlog with this. Gonna wait for this door to magically open. Okay, abracadabra. See that, guys? I'm a magician. And that's it for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to like the video, comment what you think, and subscribe. We make new videos every single week. A huge thanks to Rohit Pulkit for helping us out with this video. I'll leave a link to his Instagram down in the description. And finally, a lot of you have been asking when the next episode of the New Zealand vlog is coming out, and I've been putting it off for a while. So I just wanted you guys to know it's next.